Looking to boost your career in cloud and automation? Want to master the tools used by top companies for continuous integration and delivery? In today's IT world, DevOps is not just a skill, it's a career accelerator. With Azure DevOps, you can automate, deploy, monitor, and scale applications across cloud environments with ease. Automate end-to-end delivery pipelines. Work across development, testing, and operations. Get hired by top MNCs and cloud-based companies. At Network Rhinos, our Azure DevOps course is designed to make you industry-ready with hands-on, job-focused training. You will master Azure repos, pipelines, boards, artifacts, CI/CD with Jenkins and Azure pipelines, Docker, Kubernetes, and more. This is more than just theory. You'll work on real-time projects, solve live business problems, and gain the skills top recruiters look for. Live instructor-led training, hands-on labs and assignments, resume building, and mock interviews. From the second month, we begin your placement support. We help you get interview ready and connect you with recruiters. LinkedIn and Naukri profile setup, interview preparation, and internal referrals are also included. At Network Rhinos, we don't just teach, we shape IT professionals. Our trainers bring real-world experience and insider knowledge directly to your screen. The cloud is growing, so should you. Join Network Rhinos and take your first step toward becoming an Azure DevOps engineer.